Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. In today's tutorial, we will going to learn this very easy and very pretty this drawstring bag, or even instead of drawstring, you can put a clutch, the stick button here with this rings handle here. And I've made this in two shades. One is chocolate brown and one is light cream golden color, and these both are not the soft cotton yarn, but this is matrame yarn. And I've made this with a flat base, as you can see. Along with this, I've also made a teeny tiny coin purse. So let's go ahead and start making this bag, this drawstring bag. Okay, for this project, I am using this matrame soft cotton yarn, which is of coffee color, and this is 300 grams. And if you wish to make a bigger bag, you can have it more. And the hook size that I'm using is 1.50 mm. I am also using this contrast color, which is golden and cream shimmer yarn. I may require it to make flowers for my bag. So let's start. Alright, so let's start by making chain of 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And one more chain up, so that our count will go to 20 single crochet. From the very next chain, from the second chain, in the second chain from the hook, I'll start making one single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now chain one up, and I'll turn my work and start making single crochet, 20 single crochet on single crochet. So likewise, I'll keep repeating rows of single crochets to make a rectangular base for this project. So I'll make around 50 to 60 rows of 20 single crochet, and I'll see you then. So my 60 rows of 20 single crochets are completed, and now I'm going to make a slip stitch here. On the very first corner, like this, and I'll start making single crochet all over this rectangle, and I'll make 3 rounds of single crochet. So I'll start with all the gaps here, which is like single crochets which we have started taking every round. So I'll start making single crochet from here, one, like this, in every single space. I'll complete 3 rounds of single crochet and I'll see you then. I'm now done with my last round of single crochet, and I'm going to end this round with a slip stitch on the first chain that we have made. So our work so far looks like this. Our bag has already started taking a turn. Now what I'm going to do is I'll take 3 chains up, 1, 2 and 3, and I'll start making 1 double crochet on each chain around all the 4 corners. So I'll make 1 double crochet, simply 1 double crochet all the way around. I'll complete this round and I'll tell you afterward what we have to do next. Okay, so now I have completed row of 1 double crochet here, and I am going to do a slip stitch in the third chain from the start here. Okay, now chain 3 up, 1, 2 and 3. In the next double crochet I'll make 1 front post double crochet like this. Then in the next double crochet I'll make a double crochet. Then again in the next one I'll make a front post double crochet. Next one double crochet, then a front post double crochet. So I'll keep repeating this pattern till the end of the round, and I'll make rows and rows of this pattern. Like where there is 1 double crochet, I'll make 1 front post double crochet. Where there is 1 front post double crochet, I'll make 1 double crochet. So we have to keep repeating this pattern of double crochet and front post double crochet, double crochet and front post double crochet. So you can make as many rows as you want, or as tall as you want your handbag to be, or you can even change color in middle after every 4 or 5 rows. You can change it. You can do it according to your taste. So as you can see, our bag has already started taking the shape, like rectangular shape. So I'll make rows of this pattern, and I don't know how many rows I'm gonna make, but I'll make it enough for big enough to give it a tall look, that bucket look or basket look, and I'll see you then. Okay, so as you all can see, I have completed my bag, the wall of the bag, the height of the bag, with 2 colors. Here I've used golden brown color, and after finishing with the brown, to give it the final touch, I've made 3 or 4 rounds of single crochet here. And now it is very easy. I'm gonna make the pattern as a drawstring, or what you can do is you can attach here the tick buttons here. I don't have tick buttons, so I thought to make it a drawstring bag. Okay, so I'll start right from here where I've done my last single crochet. I'll again grab the opposite color yarn, which is this golden color, golden brown color, or you can say golden cream color. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3, leaving 1 chain space, I'll make 1 double crochet. Again, chain 1, leaving 1 stitch, I'll make 1 double crochet. This I'm making for my drawstring. 1 chain, leaving 1 chain space, I'll make my 1 double crochet, and I'll keep repeating till end of the round, leaving 1, skipping 1 chain, base 1 chain, I'll make 1 double crochet, and in between I'll make 1 chain, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, skipping 1 stitch. So I'll keep repeating this pattern. I'll see you at the end of the round. So as you can see, I have completed here this row of one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, skipping the chain from the base, and I've done a slip stitch here and I cut my yarn. So I'll hide this afterward. Now make a chain of 150. I've made chain stitches 150 here for the drawstring. You can make according to the breadth, according to the size circumference of your bag, and start somewhere in the middle of this bag, because this bag will going to be, it will going to take a V shape like this from both the sides. It will be like this. So try to make this right from the center of the bag. I'm taking from this side. Okay, I'll put my drawstring. Each of the holes here I've made the chain one gap. Alright, so as you all can see, the drawstring I've already inserted here, and this bag is taking this V shape like this from both the ends, and that's it. The final thing that I have to do is I'll add this handle of the bag both on these corner. Inside, it would go inside this V shape. I'll have to tuck in with the thread here like this, and this bag handle I've made with rings. If you want, I can make another tutorial how to, you know, crochet these rings for the handle, and it is super easy. If you know it, you can do it very well. And that is it. I'll just tie these here and I'll see you then. Okay, so finally my drawstring bag is ready, and I've attached this handle also here, and this has taken a proper V shape, and this is the drawstring, and the bag is quite spacious from inside. And go ahead and try this tutorial. Try making this bag, and I hope you like this tutorial. So keep liking, sharing, and subscribing my videos. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next one.